Hi guys, welcome back. This is Team Terra, and today is my final time saying hello beautiful, hello Shea. I have been a Shea ambassador for the last year. I have been receiving really good goodies from Shea Moisture, ranging from oils, lotions, conditioner, shampoo, bath soap, everything that you can think of for my baby. Shea Moisture has that product in stores, on shelves, and today is my final time being able to tell y'all what I received for this month. They ended with a bang. I did look at this and it's so Shea. Thank you. Completed my year's term being a Shea Moisture ambassador. I continue to be ambassador on their behalf. It's a great experience this year. I was able to work with a lot of people with Shea Moisture, and I thank them for giving me this platform and this pedestal to be able to review their products, share it with my family and my friends and my followers, so that they can know basically what to use on their baby, and you know, based on my recommendations. I've been with them for a year. I've been receiving a box every month, doing an unboxing. You've seen on my Instagram, Team Terra, Team_Terra, my YouTube, you see my reviews, and I just want to share my last review with y'all. I love Shea Moisture. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give them a 12. They exceed my expectation every single time. Every time a box comes, we use their products. Like, I can't say the same for every other baby brand or every other product out there, but we use Shea Moisture. I'm gonna just hop into it. Off jump, box, great quality. They tend to send 3 to 4 different products every time. It came with like some Shea Moisture tissue paper, a Shea Moisture blanket. This is so cute for the baby. I feel like with Shea Moisture, they put a lot of time in their PR boxes. So with that being said, if y'all hiring, I'm here. But no, seriously, the quality of the layout, what goes into each pamphlet, how they're breaking it down, letting parents know what the products are for, how can it help with the baby, how can it help you as a parent, as a mom, and it goes on and so forth. So it tells you like the steps and what to do. I have not used this particular line, which is the olive oil and marula oil. I'm excited because this one is the wash, shampoo and wash. It's with avocado and shea butter. That smells it smells so good. It smells like a light perfume. These specific kind of smell like coconut oil, but it says avocado. Coconut oil. Yeah, it's really light. And one thing I like about Shea Moisture, their lotions are very good lotion. Eczema, if you've seen in my previous video, or probably going back 2 videos ago, my baby has eczema, and it's hard to find good quality lotion that's going to stick to her skin but not also leave any residue on her clothes, and Shea Moisture is one of them. You can see that it's very thick, but it's easy on the skin. Very easy, and it's good because my daughter has really dry skin, but not to the point where it's, you know, when you put something on, it's sticking to her clothes. So in this box, it actually came with the wash and shampoo, which I use both because it's that gentle that you use it in the hair and on the body. And it came with 2 lotions that's the same but in different sizes, which is good because this type of lotion with this, like I guess you could say, the size is also with the top being like this, very flat. It's very easy to put inside of the diaper bag compared to something like this that's once you open it, it's hard to close and squirt out. So this is what I like to keep on the side of the tub once I get the baby out and lotion her down. Convenient. It has more ounces in this. It's 13 and this one has 8. Again, I am in love with the packaging. Thank you again, Shea Moisture. Thank you for choosing me and my family, my daughter, to be able to represent you as a company, and I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all enjoyed all my other unboxing videos. If you haven't been caught up, please catch up on those, and I expect more to come. And like I said, I expect to work with Shea Moisture in the future. If I have to go buy it, I'll go buy it. This was just an awesome experience and been an awesome year. I really do hope y'all enjoy it. leave any comments. What would you expect for somebody like me, Shea mom, or just being a mom in general? What are you expecting as quality? And maybe leave it in the comments. I'm grateful for y'all watching. I'm grateful for, you know, just being a mom, a second-time mom. You know, it becomes really hard when you have a baby on the move and you're able to share good quality stuff for a reasonable price. And it's available everywhere. Like Shea Moisture is in Target, Walmart, and my local HEB, Sally's. It's everywhere. So, talk to y'all later. Goodbye, beautiful.